sausage, cheese. It doesn't get much better than that, folks.
Alright, today on my air fryer recipes, I am going to be making sausage, egg, and cheese egg rolls with jalapeno or green peppers, okay? So, what I'm going to do is I am going to take this egg roll shell and I'm just going to place it down, alright? Just place it down right here. And then I am going to add a little bit of egg right there, close to the center. And then I am going to be putting a little bit of sausage right there. This sausage right here is cooked already. All right, it's cooked and cooled. And I'm just going to be placing it right there. All right, and then I'm going to put some cheese. This is extra sharp cheese right here, okay? Extra sharp cheese. And I'm going to put some extra sharp cheese on top. I like it a little bit cheesier, so I'm going to put a little bit more. Remember, don't overstuff it. Please do not overstuff it. And then I'm going to put some jalapeno peppers. And then I'm just going to kind of mix it together a little bit. And then bring it all, sweep it all back together. Right? Bunch it up so we can roll it. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to tuck it a little bit. Take the corners and bring them towards the center onto the other side. Once I do that, I'm going to take a little bit of water. I have a water right up here. And I'm just going to seal this a little bit. It's not going to be 100% sealed, but it'll give it some sticknacity there, okay? And so I'm going to roll it. And as I roll it, I'm going to take the corners and I'm going to bring them in, all right? Bring them in. And then as I roll it, I'm going to keep on adding like little dabs of water. I'm dabbing on them, okay? And then I'm going to roll it. Dabbing on the way, dabbing on them on the way. And then I'm going to roll it all the way up. And it's sealed. And I'm just going to take a little bit of water, not too much, and just go along the edges and then hold it in place. And it will seal, okay? All right. Now that we have that, we're going to spray it just a little bit just to get the coating all around. And we're ready to put it in the air fryer. I'm about to put it in the air fryer. You see this? I'm going to have the flap side on the top. And if you can see in the air fryer, I have the bottom of the pan like oiled a little bit too. All right, so I'm going to place this in here. And then I'm going to place it into the air fryer. All right. And then I'm going to set it to 400 degrees and I'm going to put it in here for about 10 minutes. All right, it is done. Now look at that. Straight out of the air fryer, the egg roll is done. Now it's time to open it up and see what we're working with. All right. So I'm going to take my tongs and I am going to, wow, look at that golden goodness. You can see some of the egg and the cheese creeping out of the side, all right? Doesn't that look good? So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna place it down here and I'm gonna put my air fryer tray to the side. We're getting close. It's kind of hot, but look at that. Crazy, right? Look at the cheese. Some of the cheese wanted to come out, all right? So I'm gonna take this. I'm going to slice this open. You know what? I'm going to get a sharp knife because I want to actually peer inside. Do you hear that crunch? All right, wow. Look at that. Egg, sausage, cheese. It doesn't get much better than that, folks. It really doesn't. It's really hot right now. I'm about to drop it, so I'm switching hands. But all I have to say is goodness. Absolute goodness. Let me know if you have any questions.